Welcome back to Lamoda Academy, Indonesia. You're here with me, Gayu, and Lizzie. Let's continue with today's lesson. In today's video, we will discuss how to create the basic sleeve pattern using the Indonesian system. I'll guide you through all the necessary measurements, the formulas, and step-by-step drafting, so you can follow along easily. First, let's talk about the measurements needed for the basic sleeve pattern. The most important measurement is the armhole circumference. Please note that we don't use the client's actual body measurement here. Instead, we take the armhole measurement from the completed bodice pattern, both front and back, with side ease already added according to the garment design. After the bodice has been adjusted, we recalculate the armhole measurement. If it matches the client's size, usually slightly larger than the actual body measurement, this is the measurement we use for drafting the sleeve pattern. That's why the sleeve pattern is always drafted after the bodice is completed and adjusted. Next, we need the sleeve cap height, which can be obtained in two ways. Measure directly from the top of the shoulder to the underarm, or use the formula 1/2 armhole circumference plus 2 centimeters. Other required measurements include short sleeve length, long sleeve length, lower arm circumference for short sleeve, and lower arm circumference for long sleeve. For practice, we'll use the following sample measurements: armhole circumference, 40 centimeters, sleeve cap height, 12 centimeters, short sleeve length, 18 centimeters, long sleeve length, 59 centimeters, lower arm circumference for long sleeve, 25 centimeters, lower arm circumference for short sleeve, 30 centimeters. These measurements will guide us in both calculations and practical drafting. Now let's start drafting the basic sleeve pattern. The process is similar to standard dressmaking, and the formulas are simple. First, draw a horizontal baseline. Mark the middle as point A, then draw a vertical line upward from it. Next, find point B. The distance from A to B is either sleeve cap height or 1/2 armhole circumference plus 2 centimeters. From B, draw diagonal lines toward the baseline to locate points C and D. The distance from B to C equals the distance from B to D, which is 1/2 the armhole circumference. Mark the points where these lines intersect the baseline. Now, let's focus on B to C. Divide B to C into 3 equal parts. Lower 1/4 centimeter at the bottom third and raise 1.5 centimeters at the top third. Draw a smooth curve to form the front armhole. Next, we focus on B to D. Divide B to D into 4 equal parts. Top 1/4, raise 2 centimeters. Second 1/4, raise 1 centimeter. Third 1/4, stay on line. Bottom 1/4, draw a horizontal guideline to D. Then curve smoothly to form the back armhole. Note, the front armhole is more concave, especially near point C, while the back armhole is flatter. Double-check that the sleeve armhole matches the front and back bodice armholes. This ensures the sleeve will fit perfectly. If the armhole is correct, extend the sleeve to the desired length from point B to point E. From E, draw horizontal lines to left and right, and vertical lines down from points C and D. The intersections are called points F and G. Finally, measure from E to F prime and E to G prime. Use the formula 1/2 lower sleeve circumference. Apply this to both short and long sleeves, adjusting according to your design. And that completes the formula for drafting the basic sleeve pattern using the Indonesian system. That wraps up this topic. Thank you for learning with me and Lizzie at Lamoda Academy, Indonesia. We'll continue in the next video. See you in the next lesson.